Wait a second. Do you hear that? Yes, that's the sound of money rustling. The moment has arrived when I'm going to share with you some super information on how to multiply your YouTube earnings by 2, 3, or even 4 times. Instead of earning just $10,000, you can make $40,000 every month. How is that possible?
Tell me how!
Well, today I'm going to reveal 5 secret tools that will skyrocket the views on your YouTube videos. Watch this video until the end to discover the ultimate resources that will bring thousands or even millions of new subscribers to your channel. Hey there, my friend. I'm Mike Ross, and I've got another YouTube hack for you. I understand the challenges of launching a new channel. I've been there myself, searching for ways to increase views and monetize on YouTube. Now, I have 9 channels that generate a monthly income of over $100,000 each. Finding solutions in tough situations is crucial for me, and it's incredibly rewarding when my subscribers and those who have taken my intensive program express their gratitude.
This is exactly what suits me.
I look forward to your next training.
It's priceless, Mike. Thank you so much.
Honestly, it's truly inspiring and gives me a boost of energy. So thank you guys very much. If you're eager to master content creation on YouTube and earn more than $10,000 per month, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's conquer YouTube together. To start off, let me introduce you to an interesting service that allows you to analyze website traffic. It's called similarweb.com. Today, we'll use it to analyze 5 secret resources. So let's begin with the first website. Our first stop is MeWe.com, a social networking and communication platform similar to Facebook. Last month, it had a total of 5.7 million visits. To use MeWe, you need to be at least 16 years old and create an account, which is both easy and free. Once you're on the page, it functions just like a Facebook feed. You'll find interest groups here we can utilize to promote our videos. For instance, if your video's niche is make money online or fitness, you can simply type those keywords into the search bar and find relevant groups. In these groups, you can post a link to your video and potentially gain hundreds or even thousands of initial views. The number of participants in each group is visible in the search window, allowing you to assess the potential and reach of your publication. And overall, I recommend fully utilizing the promotional opportunities on YouTube. It's a platform with an abundance of avenues to earn from. With each passing year, and as I continue managing my channels, I uncover an increasing array of money-making prospects within YouTube. I'm well aware that your income and profit here hinge entirely on your familiarity with these opportunities. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I'm here to assist you. I'm prepared to be your support system throughout my online course. No longer must you spend excessive time searching for scattered information across YouTube. You don't need to experiment with what works and what doesn't.
It's working.
I've compiled all the essential steps to take you from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course caters to those new to channel creation embarking on their YouTube journey, as well as those who possess a channel but struggle to initiate income generation or boost profits. The link can be found in the description below this video. Join my course, Hack YouTube, and together we'll cover everything essential for a thriving channel that can earn you $10,000 per month on YouTube. We'll pinpoint the most lucrative niche for you, outline various monetization methods, create a 3-month channel strategy, unveil pertinent shortcuts for video designs, provide a curated selection of clandestine tools for content creation and enhancement, decode the workings of YouTube algorithms, and strategize how to manipulate them to ensure that your videos consistently land in YouTube's recommendations. By the course's conclusion, you'll have your own monetized YouTube channel, a platform that guarantees earnings for your aspirations. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Mike Ross.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I am immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
You're well versed in the next steps. Click the link in the description right now, share your contact information, and embark on your journey to become a YouTube money maven alongside me. Can't wait to have you on board. Now, let's move on to the second website. It's Answers.com, receiving approximately 6.4 million hits per month. So what is Answers.com? It's an online platform where people share knowledge by asking and answering specific questions. If your channel's content revolves around teaching or providing guidance on a certain topic, such as fast weight loss, you can contribute by answering related questions and attaching a link to the video from your channel. This is an effective way to capture the attention of individuals who are genuinely interested in the topic.
Interesting.
Moreover, when new users arrive on YouTube from other platforms, there's a possibility that they may subscribe to your channel and watch your future videos. This sends a significant signal to YouTube's algorithm, which competes with other social networks and online resources for traffic. When your videos attract new users, the value of your content increases, making it more profitable for YouTube to promote your videos to its viewers. Consequently, the number of impressions and views rises, ultimately resulting in increased earnings for you. And if you have any platforms or resources in mind where you can promote your videos, please share them in the comments section. With just 10 or 100 of these platforms, we can exponentially increase our video views in no time. Now, let's move on to site number 3, which is slideshare.net. This platform receives a staggering 72.5 million views every month. It serves as a hosting service where you can share your articles in a PDF format. While there are various texts on different topics with several thousand views, if you adjust the filter to display the most popular of all time, you'll be able to find an extensive collection of articles with millions or even tens of millions of views. The best part is that registration on this resource is absolutely free. Once registered, you can upload PDF documents related to your videos. For example, you can create a PDF titled 5 Methods to Lose Weight Fast, with the first method being a video review, making sure to include a compelling call to action, CTA, that highlights the benefits viewers will gain from watching the video. Additionally, you can leverage other affiliate programs within this document to further enhance your earning potential. Take advantage of this service to significantly boost the number of views your videos receive. When it comes to creating the text for your PDF, you can utilize AI programs such as ChatGPT or AI Coach. By the way, make sure to check out my video on ChatGPT strategy. People are already earning up to $40,000 using this method. Don't miss your chance and click on the link in the corner of your screen. Moving on to our next resource, which is number 4, BitChute.com, with a monthly view count of 16.3 million. It's another video hosting site similar to YouTube. You can create an account and share different videos on this platform as well. Upload a short segment of your videos and include the following message. Click the link in the description to watch the full video. Make sure to add the link in the description. Ideally, your short clip should be around 15 to 20 seconds long, which you can simply extract from your original video. The key is to include the most engaging part of the video, then add a call to action, and that's it.
It's that easy.
As an alternative to BitChute, you can also use the 5th secret site, Rumble.com. Interestingly, this platform is even more popular than BitChute, with 172.4 million monthly views. It's endorsed by celebrities like Donald Trump, Russell Brand, and many SpaceX employees also utilize it. So it's definitely a major platform. On Rumble.com, you can also share your videos, or rather a teaser to your videos. Simply upload the teaser, come up with an enticing title, include a call to action, and attach a link. This will help you attract new users and gain more views. I would greatly appreciate if you would like this video to help me connect with thousands and millions of potential subscribers. Valuable information like this doesn't come by easily. Remember, the more of these 5 resources you utilize, the more clicks YouTube videos will receive. And I'll emphasize once more, all of these tools are completely free to use and are aimed at driving traffic to your video.
I begrudgingly accept your offer.
By increasing the number of views, you can significantly boost your income, potentially doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling it. This means you can turn your $10,000 monthly check into $40,000. Hey there. What do you think of today's rundown of these 5 super tools for increasing your views and subscribers? Are you excited to start using them?
I'm so excited!
Remember to explore my course, as it will aid you into gaining insights into audience engagement tools. Discover how swiftly elevate your channel and achieve $10,000 income within just 1 or 2 months. Now, without further ado, check out my video on creating hilarious cat videos, where you can immediately implement these 5 rapid growth strategies and potentially earn up to $70,000 per month. Click here and find the link in the video description below. And if you appreciate me sharing these business secrets with you and paving the way to more earnings, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That wraps it up. I'm Mike Ross, and I invite you to watch my videos, grow your channel, and achieve financial success. Wishing you fantastic YouTube hacking days ahead. Peace out.